what it feels like to be a freak.
Thought I'd show you a little Janney's furnace, Civil War memorial of a furnace out here if I can find it. I've been out here once and I can't remember all the history of it. Pretty looking log house. Ooh, gravel on the road. Usually come in from the other way. They got a big sign up. There's some horses, went pretty horses and some cows. Shetland ponies, oh, it's a calf. Thought it was a Shetland pony. It is a Shetland pony with a brown head. Oh, that's a Shetland pony, little pony. Yeah, Janney furnace. Turn back to the left here. Yep, that's signs. Janney's Furnace Park, right up here. I don't know if you can see it, that big block thing right there. Janney's Furnace. Turn around them. Got them War Memorial. Civil War Memorial, Calhoun County. Janney Furnace. The furnace was constructed by Montgomery businessman Alfred A. Janney, reported using slaves brought from Tennessee by the Dr. Smith. The furnace was completed and ready for producing pig iron when, on July 14, 1864, a Union cavalry raided forces of 2,300 men led by Major General Louisville H. Roosley, crossed the Coosa River at the Ten Island Ford en route to destroy the railroad between Montgomery and West Point, Georgia. Learning of the location of the furnace, dispatched his engineer officer, Captain Ed Ruger, and a detachment to destroy the chimney of the furnace, leaving the stone structure in place. They also burned a wooden building intended for support and operation of the furnace. And there's your furnace. There's a big one in Tiny Hill State Park, which is huge. It's still got the tower. I mean, very neat. It's on the side of Birmingham. There's another smaller one over in center. Oh. You can walk all the way around. I hope you. So now they put the fire down here on the top. They would use the heat coming up and melt the pig iron, I'm assuming. That's the way it looks like. They run. Ooh. Might want to go back the other way. Just a drop off. I mean, I can slide down your butt. You think how big this rock is? I have to Google it and see what they do here. They might have a showing you how they run it, I guess. If you could get in on that side. Yeah, the gate's open on those sides. Okay. So actually that's Civil War furnace. Yeah, what the? Okay. Have it. Janney Furnace Park. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button. If you hadn't already subscribed, I can only get better from here. So, Make sure you touch that little bell. That's a four-way stop. You're gonna say that's a bad place to pull out going over that little ride. So you know, like I said, you know what to do. Subscribe if you hadn't already, and hit the little bell so you get notification. And till next time, ride safe, and we'll catch you later.